Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential product for anyone looking to enhance their home water filtration system, the Applied Membranes Reverse Osmosis Filter Replacement Set, specifically designed for 50 gallons per day systems. If you're interested in improving your water quality, we've included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what this product is all about. The Applied Membranes RO Filter Set is a complete replacement kit that includes 4 filters designed to work seamlessly with 5-stage reverse osmosis systems. Over time, as we use our water filtration systems, the filters can become less effective, leading to a decline in water quality. This replacement set ensures that you can continue to enjoy clean, fresh-tasting water straight from your kitchen sink. One of the standout features of this filter set is its ability to remove up to 99% of contaminants found in your tap water. That includes harmful chemicals, heavy metals like lead and copper, chlorine, and even those unpleasant odors and rust that can affect the taste and smell of your water. With this filter set, you can rest assured that your drinking water is not only safe but also tastes great. Another key highlight is the eco-friendly aspect of the filters. These filters are made from coconut shell carbon, a sustainable and renewable resource. This is a significant improvement over traditional coal-based filters, as coconut shell carbon is not only more effective at removing unwanted odors and chemicals, but it also has a lower environmental impact. If you're someone who is conscious about your carbon footprint, this product aligns well with those values. Installation is often a concern for many homeowners when it comes to replacing filters, but the Applied Membranes kit simplifies that process. The filters are universally sized to fit most 10-inch standard filter housings, and they come with easy-to-follow instructions. Most homeowners can complete the installation on their own without needing to call in a professional. This means you can have your filtration system up and running in no time, enjoying the benefits of clean water with minimal hassle. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a homeowner with a reverse osmosis water filtration system, or even if you're renting and want to ensure the quality of your drinking water, this replacement kit is perfect for you. It's also ideal for families who are health conscious and want to make sure their children have access to the best drinking water possible. Additionally, if you're someone who enjoys cooking, having high-quality water can make a noticeable difference in the taste of your food and beverages. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine hosting a family gathering and serving up refreshing drinks, or using the water for cooking delicious meals, knowing that you're providing your guests with clean, contaminant-free water. Or consider the everyday convenience of having quality water available for your morning coffee or tea. It can truly elevate your daily routine. In summary, the Applied Membranes Reverse Osmosis Filter Replacement Set is an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain or upgrade their home water filtration system. With its impressive contaminant removal capabilities, eco-friendly materials, and easy installation, this filter set offers both peace of mind and convenience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.